This is really good stuff, man. This is actually the Greek oregano. This other one was lemon oregano, and we just watered the parsley. It's wilted, but it's actually quite luscious. There we go, nice bundle of herbs. I'm going to peel these just partially and then chop them up. A simple way of doing this, I peel them a little bit, cut them in half, lay them side by side, and just do. And you get nice little bite-sized chunks. This over-the-sink cutting board is so helpful. And then you just, I can let my cucumbers drain after, and I threw away the peels and start the next item. Next up are these grilled bell peppers. I'm going to chop those up. That's quinoa down there in the chicken broth. There it is. Tricolore quinoa. So I'm going to cut these up a little smaller. They look delicious though. Typically, if you're just using jarred red peppers, roasted red peppers, you drain them, but these have such a beautiful oil dressing on them. I'm gonna leave them in there. But these hearts of palm and artichoke mixture here with red peppers in there, I did drain those. Okay, I went ahead and drained and rinsed the beans. With this many herbs to chop, it can be a bit of a dubious task. So I am going to try my trusty herb snipper scissors and see what happens. It's doing a pretty good job. Now see, if I was an influencer, I would put the link and tell you where to buy these babies. But I'm not quite there yet. So just take a Google lens shot of it and see what you find. I can tell that's going to be good. More sweet cherry peppers for the main course. This is really good stuff, man.